I remember kneeling in my garden, dry soil slipping through my fingers, feeling defeated. Despite all my efforts, tilling, watering, planting, my plants struggled, their leaves yellowed, growth stunted. I nearly gave up, questioning every bit of advice I'd ever received. Then, I realized, soil isn't a problem to fix, but a living thing to nurture. Through trial, error, and listening to seasoned gardeners, I discovered 5 simple, natural ingredients that revived my garden. Let's count down the 5 secret ingredients that will transform your soil, starting with number 5. Number 5 is bone meal, an ancient effective soil amendment made from ground animal bones. Its main gift, phosphorus, the master architect of strong roots. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, bone meal releases nutrients slowly, encouraging deep, resilient root systems. It's especially powerful for bulbs, root vegetables, and new perennials. Just a spoonful in the planting hole sets them up for success. But remember, bone meal works best in soil with a pH below 7. Always test your soil first. For established beds, scratch a little into the topsoil in spring, no need to disturb roots. Bone meal also adds calcium, strengthening cell walls and boosting disease resistance. Store it in a sealed container and mix it well into the soil to avoid attracting animals. Think of bone meal as a long-term investment, building a foundation of strength and resilience beneath the surface. It's not a quick fix, but a steady, patient way to help your garden flourish. By feeding the foundation, you're setting the stage for everything that grows above. This is the first step to reviving your soil. Nourish the roots, and the rest will follow. Number 4 is eggshells, a kitchen scrap most people toss, but a goldmine for gardeners. Eggshells are packed with calcium carbonate, crucial for strong stems and healthy leaves. To unlock their power, rinse, bake, and grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle this powder in planting holes for tomatoes, peppers, and squash to prevent blossom end rot. Add it to your compost pile to enrich your finished compost with calcium. For established beds, use as a top dressing and gently work it into the soil. Some gardeners use coarser eggshells to deter slugs. Worth a try. By saving and preparing eggshells, you turn waste into a resource, closing the loop and nourishing your soil for free. It's a simple, sustainable way to build healthier, more resilient plants. Number 3 is kelp powder, a concentrated gift from the sea. Kelp is loaded with over 60 minerals and trace elements, plus natural growth hormones that boost root and stem development. It improves soil structure, moisture retention, and feeds the beneficial microbes that power healthy soil. Always choose sustainably harvested kelp to protect ocean ecosystems. To use, dissolve a tablespoon or 2 in a gallon of water for a soil drench or foliar spray. You can also add dry kelp powder to planting holes, top-dress beds, or supercharge your compost pile. Within weeks you'll notice deeper green leaves, stronger growth, and more flowers and fruit. Kelp helps plants handle stress, drought, heat, even frost. It's a reminder that the health of our gardens is connected to the health of the planet. By bringing the ocean's vitality to your soil, you're giving your plants a complete, balanced diet that synthetic fertilizers can't match. Number 2 is molasses, a sweet, sticky powerhouse for soil life. Molasses feeds the bacteria, fungi, and microbes that break down organic matter and release nutrients for your plants. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsulfured blackstrap molasses in a gallon of water and drench your soil every few weeks during the growing season. You'll notice darker, richer soil and that classic earthy smell, signs of thriving microbial life. Molasses also boosts compost tea, multiplying beneficial microbes for a potent garden tonic. Don't overdo it. Too much sugar can harm roots and create oxygen-starved soil. Used in moderation, molasses transforms you from plant feeder to microbe farmer, building a living, self-sustaining soil ecosystem. Number 1 is worm castings, nature's black gold. Worm castings are rich in nutrients and teeming with beneficial microbes that protect roots, suppress disease, and improve soil structure. They're gentle, pH neutral, and safe for all plants. No risk of burning. For seedlings, mix a handful into the potting mix or planting hole. For established plants, top dress with a half-inch layer and water it in. You can also steep castings in water for 24 hours to make a nutrient-rich tea for soil or foliar feeding. Plants grown with worm castings are bigger, greener, and more productive. The soil becomes darker, crumbly, and holds moisture better. Start your own worm bin to turn kitchen scraps into a constant supply of castings. Worm castings embody the goal of organic gardening, turning waste into wealth and creating a living, self-sustaining system. There you have it. 5 powerful natural ingredients to revive your soil: bone meal for roots, eggshells for calcium, kelp for minerals, molasses for microbes, and worm castings for life. The secret isn't in chemicals, it's in nurturing the living soil beneath our feet. By feeding the soil, we create a resilient ecosystem that supports our plants and the planet. This is more than gardening. It's stewardship and healing. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with a fellow gardener, and subscribe to Nature's Fix. Together, we can heal the earth, one garden at a time. Thank you, and happy gardening.